Today we're gonna make a twist on the traditional deviled eggs. We're gonna make deviled eggs with Greek yogurt. To get started on making our deviled eggs, I'm starting with 6 whole eggs. And my tip for hard boiling the eggs is bring your water in your pot to a boil. Once it comes to a boil with your eggs in it, turn it off and let them sit in the hot water for about 10 minutes. Then I transfer them into an ice bath so that it's easier for the shell to come off of the eggs. So I've already made these and they're ready to go. So we're gonna take our hard-boiled eggs and we're just gonna cut them right in half. Like that, perfect hard-boiled egg. I'm gonna cut these. And hard-boiled eggs are really, it's very interesting. When I was younger, I feel like this was the go-to appetizer for every event, but they've made a comeback and now people really like them. So it's always fun to make a little twist on them from the traditional way. So that's why I'm very excited for you guys to try it with this Greek yogurt. I think you're gonna love it. So now for our yolks, we're gonna pop them. I'm gonna use a little food processor. So I'm gonna pop these out, our yolks, and put them right in our food processor. So now we have all of our yolks out of our eggs. And next we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. So this Greek yogurt is what we're using instead of the traditional mayonnaise recipe. So when I make this with mayonnaise, I usually use 2 tablespoons, but I'm doubling it because of the Greek yogurt's thickness and the tanginess of it. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And that's it for our mixture here. Normally I would use white wine vinegar, but I'm not gonna use that because the tanginess of the yogurt acts for that. So we're gonna blend this up. So now that we have our mixture all blended together, I'm gonna transfer it into a piping bag so that I can pipe it into our eggs. If you don't have a piping bag, I know you've seen me do my trick with the Ziploc, so you could do that as well. And now we're gonna pipe our eggs. Wonderful. So we have our egg and our yogurt mixture right here, all on our eggs. Now, fun part is garnishing. So you can garnish with chives. I'm gonna use a little paprika here. I'm gonna put a little bit on each one. Make that. You can use chives, like I said, you can use all different, and something green will be really beautiful on eggs, but I actually have a little bit of the fennel leaves from when I'm making grilled fennel. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that, put right on top. I love the color scheme here. This is very spring, looks so beautiful. And these are easy, you can make before people are coming over, stick them in the fridge. All I have to do is pop them out when they come. So for aesthetics, I'm putting a little bit of paprika around the platter as well. And I have this other product that I used to use this all the time in my catering business. And I've found it on Amazon, and I'm gonna put the link below so that you guys can purchase these. These are pearl olive oil. So olive oil pearls, I guess I should say. So they're tiny little pearls that are so cute. You can see them there. And they are just little bits of olive oil. So I'm gonna put them right on top just to give it an extra special look. And I'm actually, look at these 2 little pearls, how cute. And they are like a burst of olive oil in your mouth. I'm gonna put them right on top of the green. Look how beautiful. And if you needed some, these are great for every holiday. You could do them for Christmas, Easter, Memorial Day, Labor Day, but also if you're having an Oscar party, a lot of people will do caviar and deviled eggs. So here's your little twist for that, because you could put these little pearls and they look like caviar. our deviled eggs look beautiful. I would serve these immediately, or if your guests are coming in a little bit, stick them in the fridge and pop them out when they arrive. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.